So Kingbolen have sent me this Ediag Elite, which has no subscription fee, lifetime updates, has full diagnostic control, and it can read live data and carry out active tests. So let's have a look at this. We're just going to do a quick run through on this Renault traffic behind me, see how it connects, see how it goes, and I'll show you exactly what I find. So we have here the Ediag Elite. It comes in this nice little carry case, and when you unzip it, here it is. So what we're going to do is we are going to be testing out this Renault traffic today. So what we want to do is find our OBD port, just push it on, and you can see the lights start to flash. Flick your ignition on, and then hopefully, yeah, they've gone green so that we have connection. So once you're logged in the system, you've activated everything and you've done your downloads for the files. Now we can go into all system diagnostics, VIN scan, and then you'll hear a little beep, so it's making connection. Now it's just going to find the VIN from the vehicle so we can identify what it is. So now it's found the system, we need to go automatically search. You can manually select, and it just tells you to switch on the ignition, tells you step by step what to do. So now it's found it. It's a Renault Traffic 3 and it's a 2016 model. So we can go here, let's do a health report. So now
I see instrument class SRS supplemental inflatable restraint system, TCM transmission control module scanning, variable PA adaptation unit scanning, parking prox radio scanning, telematic control unit scanning, hands-free module scanning, communication, multimedia interface scanning, heater scanning, urea dosing control module scanning.
Okay, so Jarvis has done its thing, and now we can see we've got five abnormal things, UPC, UCH, blah blah blah. So we want to go into the engine control module, and we can see that it's given us a code, and it's saying the particle filter is clogged. Obviously it's a Renault Traffic, of course it is. Oil dilution, implausible signal, and particle filter outside value tolerances. We can have a look in the ABS. So it's got a multiplex signal fault, instrument cluster, oil level sensor, oil pressure, circuit, UCH, end of clutch travel switch, blah 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 blah. Okay, so actually gives quite an in-depth scan of the vehicle, and it will tell us all about this. Let's see if we can just click on anything in here. Oh, we can click on, if we click on the sign, oh, it takes you straight to Google with your error code. So if you want to do a Google search, that's cool. That does that directly inside the app. We've got system selection, so you can select individual systems. System scan, well, we've already done that. So
ECM engine control module equipped.
So let's come out of this diagnostic. So let's see what maintenance functions are. Okay, so you can download the certain softwares that you need for certain things like DPF regeneration, tyre pressure, monitor and reset, steering angle. So it actually covers a wide range of processes here, OBD functions. So this will just do a simple OBD scan, I think. So it's just beeped, so it's made another connection. Okay, so this is just going to scan it like an old system where you can just read certain things. So obviously live data. Okay, so you can read quite a lot of stuff on live data, which is pretty cool. Obviously your freeze frame, you can clear your codes, come out of there. So that's pretty good. You can also select your vehicle from a very, very long list of vehicle makes from manufacturers. And this also has active functions. So if we select engine control module, confirm, and here we can actually read the trouble codes, clear the fault memory, carry out actuation tests. So it's got active testing, EGR valve. Let's just go into EGR valve and see, because that's quite a common fault. Okay, so it just tells you put the ignition on, and there you go, command in process. There you go, command in process. So now obviously you could go and check your EGR valve. So yeah, active commands, really good. And obviously it stores all your information locally on your phone for everything you've done. So that's the basic settings for this. Obviously it can do a lot more, has a lot more functionality than what I've just shown you, but that's just the bare bones of it there. But for the price point, this is a really good bit of kit. So what do we think? Yeah, it's a good bit of kit for what it is. It's small, portable, chuck it in your glove box, and there's going to be a Amazon link in the description where you can just go and get this for a discounted price. Normally it's around $99.99, but I think with the discount it's down to about £70, which, to be fair, to give you all that information, is very, very reasonable. It's very capable, and like I say, no subscription, no paying every month for anything like that. Lifetime updates as well, so every update that there is, you can just download it and you've got the latest software. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, go and check this out on Amazon using the link down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.